Good morning. Here we discuss about another applications of metal dissolved reduction. I hope all of you watched my previous video lecture. In that lecture, we discussed about Birch reduction and reduction of conjugated olefins, etc. Here we discuss about reduction of carbonyl compounds to alcohols. Primary alcohols can be obtained from aldehyde and ketones reduced into secondary alcohol. This RC double bond O R, that is our ketone, in the presence of sodium in liquid ammonia with isopropyl alcohol will converted into RCHOHR, that is our secondary alcohol. Let's see the mechanism. Here, carbonyl carbon treated with the sodium in liquid ammonia, and sodium transfer one electron to oxygen, not carbon, because oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. So, one electron abstracts by oxygen, and due to the homolysis of this double bond, here will be one electron at carbon and one electron at oxygen. Then when sodium donates one electron to oxygen, it will converted into negative charge at oxygen and one electron at carbon. So this is our radical anion, and this radical anion abstracts proton to convert it into Rc radical OHR, and this radical treated with sodium, and sodium transfer one electron to this radical carbon and converted into anion RcROH minus, and this anion protonated and converted into R2CHOH, that is our secondary alcohol. Then how it is stereoselective? In case of rigid cyclohexanones, it reduces into alcohol and OH will be in equatorial position. Here, in the case of substituted cyclohexanone, also OH will be in equatorial position. That is, only thermodynamically more stable product will be formed. That is the stereoselectivity of reduction in the case of carbonyl compounds. Next is reduction of conjugated carbonyl compounds. Here conjugated, this is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. When it is treated with the sodium in liquid ammonia, based on the proton source, it will give different products. If the proton source is ethanol, we get alcohol. Whereas if the proton source is is ammonium chloride, it will give ketone. That is a saturated ketone, not conjugated. So here the reduction takes place at a double bond only, whereas in the presence of ethanol, reduction takes place in both double bond and keto functional group. Let's see the mechanism. Here conjugated carbonyl carbon treated with the sodium, and sodium transfer one electron to oxygen. It will convert it into 1,2 radical anion, and it is highly unstable and easily converted into 1,4 radical anion by the homolysis of this double bonds, and double bond will formed in this carbon and radical will be formed at terminal carbon. This is the resultant 1,4 radical anion intermediate, and then it abstracts proton and converted into alcohol, and again it is a radical, then it treated with the sodium and transfer one electron to this radical carbon and converted into anion, then it abstracts proton and converted into enol. This is the structure of enol. CH3 CH double bond C R OH. This is enol, and enol easily tautomerized into ketone. Ketoenol tautomerization, and we get ketone as the product. In the case of ammonium chloride as proton source, whereas in the case of ethanol, this ketone again reduced into alcohol. That is the mechanism of reduction of conjugated carbonyl compounds. For example, this is a conjugated decalone. In the presence of sodium, liquid ammonia, ammonium chloride as a proton source, it will convert it into ketone, and this double bond will reduced into saturated bond, and here the hydrogen will be in lower phase. CH3 group is in upper phase, and here hydrogen will be in lower phase. This will be the major product, whereas hydrogen in the upper phase will be minor product. That is, trans is the major product, and in the case of ethanol as proton source, it will reduced into alcohol, and again trans will be the major product. CH3 and H will be in opposite phase. If CH3 is in upper phase, hydrogen will be in lower phase, and here hydrogen is in upper phase. That will be a minor product. Then last application of metal dissolved reduction is reduction of alkynes. Here reduction of alkynes is highly stereospecific. Alkynes reduced into transalkenes. This is our alkyne, Alkyne in the presence of sodium metal, liquid ammonia, ethanol, it will converted into alkene and it will be transalkene. That will be the major product and cis alkene will be the minor product. Consider the mechanism of alkynes reduction. An alkyne treated with the sodium transfer one electron to one carbon and it will convert it into 1,2 radical anion. Here one bond will homolized and converted into one radical present in one carbon and another electron present in another carbon. Then when sodium transfer one electron to one carbon, it will convert it into anion and other carbon remains as radical. Then it again treated with the sodium to transfer one electron to this radical anion and it will convert it into 1,2 dianion. This is our 1,2 dianion. And this 1,2 dianion will be stable in the case of trans geometry. That is R, C, double bond C, R, dianion. That is the pair of electron present in one carbon and one pair of electron present in one carbon. So here there will be an electron repulsion and it will be less stable. So it will easily converted into trans geometry, that is C double bond C R pair of electrons here R and pair of electrons. So in this case no electron repulsion. That's why trans compound will be the major product in the case of reduction of alkyne.